Now, an uneasy calm prevails in Dadri town of Uttar Pradesh after a man was allegedly beaten to death and his son injured by a mob following a rumor that his family was involved in cow slaughter. The victim's son, Danish, was critically injured and is undergoing treatment at a hospital. Meanwhile, the police has filed an FIR in the case and is searching for the two absconding accused in the case. 7 people have been arrested by the cops so far. Massive security has been deployed in Bisara village where the incident took place yesterday. For perspective, Dadri is very close to the urban agglomeration of the national capital Delhi, that is Noida. Now, primary investigation has revealed that the rumors about beef was made from a temple in the village, following which a mob of over 50 people attacked victim Mohammad Akhlaq's house. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav has already ordered a probe into this incident and announced a compensation of 10 lakh rupees to the family of the victim.
उसमें जो है 10 आदमी नामजद मुलजिम है, 7 की उसी रात गिरफ्तारी हो गई थी, बाकी जो है उनकी गिरफ्तारी हो रही है। बहुत सख्त कार्रवाई होगी, उस पर बहुत चिंताजनक, बहुत निंदनीय घटना है और उस पर बहुत सख्ती से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
The family of 50-year-old Mohammad Akhlaq is in deep mourning. They are alleging that no one from the village came to save them when a violent mob attacked them. They allege that people of the village are not even coming to express condolences. For at least 2 generations, Bisara village has been home to the family of Akhlaq, who was beaten to death over rumors of cow slaughter and beef consumption on Monday night. Now, Akhlaq's 22-year-old son Danish, as we just told you, is battling for his life in the hospital. His older son, Mohammad Sartaj, is an engineer with the Indian Air Force and is posted in Chennai. The family says that a violent mob armed with sticks and bricks barged into their house on Monday night and dragged 50-year-old Akhlaq out and beat him mercilessly.
फिर उन्होंने दरवाजा बंदा बड़ी तकड़ा हाँ मैं भैया क्या उसकी वो बोली अखलाकी में अरे भैया क्या बात है क्या हो गया क्यों दरवाजा खुलवा रहे हो अब दरवाजा तोड़ने को शुरू हो बजाने को फिर वो दरवाजे में 10 मिनट 2 मिनट लगाई हमने तो यहाँ को कूद के यहाँ आ गए आप बतलाइए इसकी बर्दाश्त किस तरह से लाएंगे हम अब लोग नहीं अंदाजा लगा लीजिए मेरे बच्चे को बचा के मार के कोने में लूंगे छोड़ गए और खींच के ले गए जनता मैं नहीं बोल रही अरे ये क्या कर रहे हैं क्या हो गया और दानिश के मेरे को नू मार के नू डाल रखा ईंट निकाल के ऐसी मोटी मोटी पलंग के नीचे छाती में मारी मशीन मारी बस आप जाके इंकारी कर लो देख लो 75 बुरा
मंदिर में अनाउंसमेंट किया था हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आया उसकी वजह लास्ट में आवाज आई तो हमें जाके मारो ये नहीं पता किसको कह रहे हैं कहाँ मारने को कह रहे हैं घर पे आ गए शोर मचाते हंगामा करते हुए मेरे बाबू को खच्चर खच्चर के मेरे भैया को बहुत मारा गांव के थे
सारे के सारे गांव वाले ही थे
सारे गांव के थे
बाहर के कोई
नहीं था
According to the victims, it wasn't of particular interest to the mob that the girls of this house would stitch clothes for many of those who were a part of that mob. It also didn't matter that there was a senior citizen, a woman, who was being inappropriately touched and was subsequently punched. It also didn't matter that the father, who is no more, was actually someone who would often help out people, villagers in this area with their farming equipment and tool. It also did not matter that the eldest son of this family was a member of the Indian Air Force. What mattered was the allegation that this family had consumed beef and for which they had to be taught a lesson.
An ugly political war of words has broken out over the mob lynching incident in Dadri. The Congress has blamed the Samajwadi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party for this incident. On the other hand, the ruling SP government in Uttar Pradesh has pointed fingers at right-wing organizations for fanning communal tensions. Meanwhile, a local BJP leader in Dadri, Nawab Singh Nagar, has said that the people in the town murdered Mohammad Akhlaq in excitement. Expressing sorrow over the killing, Union Minister and local MP Mahesh Sharma has said that the incident happened due to misunderstanding. Again, for perspective, for people who do not know where Dadri actually is, we are talking about a town which is stone's throw away from Delhi's urban agglomeration of Noida.
Any such incident, and there are many incidents of the kind that we see now, is very saddening, disheartening. To some extent, I think it's a major worry about which way we are going, what kind of national attitude we are encouraging. I think Samajwadi Party government needs to look a little bit inwards to see what its varied representatives are doing in different parts of Uttar Pradesh. It's not for me to advise them, but I think if they have any idea about their sense of responsibility, they will address these issues.
पिछले कुछ दिनों से पशुवध, पशु चोरी की घटनाएं बढ़ी थी और शायद उसी गलतफहमी के तहत ये घटना हुई है। मेरी प्रार्थना है सभी पक्षों से कि इस विषय को एक परिवार भाव से निपटाएं और कोई भी व्यक्ति कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में लेने का प्रयास ना करे। कानून अपना काम करे और दोनों संप्रदायों के बीच के अंदर दोनों गांव के सभी लोग आपसदारी के हैं, आपस में बैठकर इस मुद्दे को निपटाएं।